Okay, can I be honest for a second? I think we have reached a point where people are adding protein powder to literally everything. And while there is nothing wrong with that, it's just not my thing. So here I'm sharing 3 easy yogurt bowl ideas. They are made with simple ingredients, fresh fruits, and my mother's homemade nutrition mix. They are naturally sweet, gut friendly, and provide around 15 to 18 grams of protein per bowl. Okay, you will find all the ingredient list already in the screen, and the detailed recipe of the nutrition mix are already in the description box. So do check it out. So enough talking for now. Let's go and make some yogurt bowl. Okay, if you try any of them, let me know how they turn out. So healthy food doesn't have to be boring, right?